Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from none other than INLOVEARTSHOP, and I want to show you what I got. And I have the links below to all of the items that I have in this haul, and I will be doing a separate video showing you my project share, but I want to get this up so you can see what I have, and also to offer you a 15% off link that you will see also in the description bar. So again, all of these items will have the links below, as well as the 15% off your order. So this is what I got in this last shipment. I have this one is the, what's the name of it, Circle Flower Tag Notebook Die. It's a small one, but you can layer it on top of each other or do it separately. So again, I'll make some project shares with that. This is the Dot Pocket envelope die. So you have the envelope here, and then you have two different layering elements here, or you can just use them as panels. So that is a 3-piece set. This is an envelope box die, and I'll show you how that works and pop something up when I make my project in that one. And then this one is the simple envelopes die, and again I'll show you how that one works as well. Now this one, when I ordered it, it came with a stamp set, and they had already contacted me when right after I placed my order to tell me it wasn't available to order something else, and I forgot to take the die set off, so I don't have the stamp set to go with it. But this one was What a Day, and it was What a Day, Love You, Thanks, Happy Birthday, and Miss You. So that's what the dies are. So hopefully when the stamps come back in, I already have that. This right here is letter word dies, and as you can see, these are pretty. I love the scripty font to these, so pretty cool. It says create, bright, inspire, sunshine, and hello, and I love that little fancy G, so you can kind of see that. So again, I'll be breaking those apart. And this is the Paris Life collection, and this has, let's see how many pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pieces. So you got a shoe, a poodle, the word love, Paris, perfume bottle, a croissant, and a heart, if you can see that. And then of course we've seen everybody with these, the floral wreaths. Is 4 of them. I love those. I think you can do so many different projects with these floral wreaths, and I love the size of them as well. And then last but not least, I got the numbers, and this is 1 through 9. And of course again, I'll be broken apart. I haven't taken them apart yet, but I want to show you that, and so that you can check those out, and I will come back with a project share for these. Again, the links will be listed below, as well as a 15% code that you could use